So in this video, we're going to look at shapes. Shape ebintu webibeeramu. For example, buli kintu bakikola mu shape ya njawulo. So we've started with this. So this shape is called circle. A circle. So this is called circle. Oh, this thing is circular. Are we together? This shape is circular. So eno shape tugiyita sanko. A sanko. Are we together? Sanko ekintu nga kyetooloovu. Ekintu nga kyetooloovu. Oluganda tugamba ekyetooloovu. Ekintu ekyetooloovu. Are we together? Nga kya sanko. Kiba kyetooloovu. So this shape is called sumbusa like. Shape ya sumbusa. Shape ya sumbusa mu Luzungu tugamba triangle. Triangle. Ekintu nga kya triangle mu Luganda. We call it triangle in English. This is A. So triangle ekintu nga kya mu form ya sumbusa tukiyita triangle. Are we together? So this shape is a triangle. What about this one? All sides are equal. That is a square. A square. A square. Square, this is S. So this is for all kinds of printing like on t-shirts, brochures, umbrellas, and business cards. Please contact Sam's Perfect Prints. They are located at Blue Heights Building. Please contact the phone number 0768292245. Once again, contact Sam's Perfect Printing for all kinds of printing. A square. Okay? Sides zonna ziba zifaanagana. Kakola square mu Luganda. So square in English, mu Luganda tugamba square. So this is a rectangle. For example, a football pitch has a rectangular shape. So shape when tugiyita rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N. A rectangle. Ekisaawe ky'omupiira kibeeramu rectangle form. So rectangle, this is the shape. This is a rectangle. Let's look at another shape.